Hello everyone, good evening. Again I will discuss about binary.com, and finally I will show you the trading result more than 5 hours. Some trader will suggest don't play 15 to 30 minutes more. That means you can play just 30 to 1 hour maximum, because then it will not work properly. So I want to say to them, you can check my bot, inshallah it's good, and I can continue more than 5, more than 10 hours. This is my real account, and you can check this is my trading result. Just one, maximum two, that is 111. This is not put, this is lawyer bot. Okay, so I will show you the trading result of this bot continue from 12:16. Now time is 23:06, so you can calculate the time. So it win 175 and loss 48. So we will calculate, if we don't use martingale. So 48 and 175. So if we use $2 stake, like 175 multiply, we will get payout for $2.70. So 122 minus 48 loss, again 48, because we use stake 2. So our profit 26.5 without any risk. Because you can calculate again, 175 multiply 170 payout for every trade for stake 2, you will get 122.5 minus you lose 48 multiply 2, because we calculate the win for stake 2. So minus 48, again minus 48, because 48 multiplied 2, 96 loss and 122.5 profit, so equal just $26.5. So you can check this one. Here there is no martingale, all trade just 2 2 2 2. You can calculate here. You can see just $7 profit still now. So 107 win and 35 loss. So now the profit just $5. So if you want, you can stop now, then you can receive this 5, because if you have just $20, that's enough for trading. Okay, now I will show the result. So here you can see just one loss, maximum 2 loss, then 1 1 1 1 2. So your balance need just total 6. So 2, then third one is win, 2, third one is win, 1 1. So this is the trading result. So if you use this bot with martingale, so you will receive more, and if you use just no martingale, so you will receive little but your account always safe. So I hope you understand. Thanks for watching video, and please subscribe my channel and like, share my video. And if you want to contact to me for receiving this spot, you can contact to me. I will provide my Telegram ID and my email below the description. And if you want to open a demo binary.com account, so you can open. I will also provide my link below the description. So just wait for recover this trade. I will come back again. Wait, just so you can check, then win again, trade open, and if I want I can check the result. That is also win maybe. Okay, this is the result, trading result. So again win, and you can see here again $6 profit. There is no martingale here, and this is martingale, and this is real account. This is real. So thank you for watching the video.